Also, Adom in Mpensenpensemu Jibrehwe Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So, a brass said Mpensenpensemu bro na ekwenya wo ma wonso atimi agibre ene adi eye enkomo ma menka o se we Ghana ni abribia da ade ba kwa amde kai no. Be a proud Ghanaian. It's very important, and continue to exhibit these qualities: truthfulness, transparency, honesty, patriotism, and love for your country. It's very important. So who exhibited these values and known a boa manya akukudro sonko ma ogana yeno ogana ni yeno ewie eye peyo. And your chest should be out that we are Ghanaian. There's a reason why you are Ghanaian. Nti bibia ade Ghana ebekọ eye nkunimdim ede animonyam bebre Ghana ede akwanya beba me atimaton Ghana positively. Be that person that will contribute towards that cause. So help me, God. Then we come to the regional pledge. Inti baby abu to be whichever region, be a proud person from that region, whether Eastern, Ashanti, Ahafo, Bono East, Volta, Savannah, all those other areas, Western, North, Central. Just be proud. Inti me free Ahafo. Nti obo din a me odu din hye na waka kire won se de nkunimdie ene mabunu asetenam yedi ene buo ni anidie bebre Ahafo region no eno na megina ho de ma Ahafo nti erade boa me na me fasa akwanya so nka se homecoming festival no 3-day homecoming festival no so ebeba so on the 30th 31st of December and the 1st of January 2023. Ahafo homecoming, the biggest event ever by region, and under the able leadership of George Boache, regional minister, and Nananoma Wano Ahafo Nkunya. So we thank you, Nananom Madaroma, Anna Sakwanya Kasiesi, your House of Chiefs President, Yamfo Mahine. So proud of you, your capital Goso Mahine. So proud of you. Amai hene wo ayafo nsase so nyina say kofi o hene papa bi ebriw ode ne ho kwabnansia. So proud of you. All amai hene ni ahemfo ahodro nyina no yenyi bi mfiri mu. We are so proud of you. Na yena committee no so as both the local and the national one nyina the oda no ye CEO Bechem United Kings Cottage CEO Agama Dr. Kingsley, and Nana Basua, and Casa Rosa. I think I got it correct. And the entire team, we are so grateful for the good work Amoye said ye beya homecoming no ebeti me dimona ewi peyo. Yaba back to studio. Na ye kasa ide Bernard NPC atinase. Say a born at because on the say one koye busua chiami and so ya if you rap precope ni fini and he needs no introduction, especially on a holiday go on your time kaka for no offer sino na just a pejanimu e dia bay ti when I did that CP begin say offer ono nko na nim ni offer obodo offer cheapers no offer on one or pedasem and the offer mo akwata ehwe. It was your chair when I pay. Now, Minim Zemini Kofi Shia Hada. It's strange. Kofi turned to your gun and need this year a brand ya the whole day na all purpose of a small by Ghana. Vawatanam on it, na Brabodo na America to be precise. Ghana so epijanimu Emma Ghana ye embassy a war a man on the America na ujinemu ye wo or ne ambassador then no. Edin Kitahon Kessie on behalf of Ghana, America, Colluding. And through the Ministry of Information, yes, I told our friends, Ghana. Now, Ombetuani Juma Pa or Yeneso, no from what Ghana. No, an inspiration to majority of the people into youthful activism and decent politicking. Inti, Mr. Semishiano had a feeling Mishan, but me, Kofi Tonto, sana nipa dodo na edefre no. Kofi Akwaba. Thank you for your time. So, Wadaroma, Yanka bin Shemu and Rada, Mumia came Shemu Precope. Money ever born como, say Musushi Muno, and you may be touch your kaka, ewo Titu, electoral commissar, Onenshi share only the Guaqua, Musedi Beya, 2024, about one, you better be winner. Say the Mwasi Sudiana, was it no court, 2024, Nadia. Mobeji berasa court near Cochilimina, Willie see away. Into Mopese Bia, Imbeda on Aquaso. Poke can't near my baby. And near my bin Mekai binese. I uncle far a electoral commissioner for any binomo in term any NPP. Ya mana quiet to say, and I to say, a dear dance say, 1% of your bookata for 2024 elections. They toss to be. Much them the anti amusu say, Sir, Inkitawudi Amudi or IPAC no. Monya margining and I say a baby a bedanim, some bako aquatinasini under the watch of Jane Mensano, Monin Bidin Kitaho. A friend who must actually him say Ghana card and she share a day called Mrashibijum. Ama acquire 2 me crata. Original should be Chrochronoma Bibrino. A honian to your boss, Cacrana, and Cofani Padodona nim na. To could be a demon in treaty and we answer Ajisa and Shisheno atum. The crano, Mumun Susiamuno, Moses said there's a connivance, Anna mischief, you should word. Issue now, Emma Jane or Dan a D, I want to share with a year or party NDC. Tabia Nabi can be my mentiment capture and made me whatever Nantimu, dear, a dear potty, I'm open watch you. With come and rather money Ghana for the central for boy.
Yo, Mpensenpensemu na sorry o mahine. Na memfa kwanya sunsunchia ahwefo ana etiefo. Na meni akofini ma wachenso. As another day they can share akofini.
No, every minute.
I think that's about the second time. Meni na beja.
That's for because I'm say rather on radio. Okay, good.
Nipane doso. Nipane doso. So they have me the abua democracy.
Yes. Good.
Na enanso ye da pona kese pa mangana. I'm say na ye omampanyin a ono na odi Ghana bebo ade. E fan say ono no je Ghana. Esi ho. Je mfi nkwasum se na yeti asifi school bremu ano. Osaje for the coming kroma. Ne afishiada. Na yemu binum de yesu se senia obenfo atamils. Ebe hihye brana oyo mampanyin magana no. Se eneye the real Founders Day. Se da Ghana ye de chichiri. Nti ye prepare say ye de be share Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na woda. Na ayenka idum kese a abribia mu no linkage no be easy. Mebum ne wonga sebisebio efe na worifi ase. Eba be hu Ghana ba kwasam bitimi ati ase prekope. Nti me fa sa kwanya so na ya ma Ghana fu nyina atiri nkwa. Because on tiasinti yentimi nkase ne nkwa so. Baby a obi anya nkopon fa ne kransie. Kusi na ahia kopim se Ghana be wo ha kopim ebia. Wiase awie no ye be ko so aka ne se ono no be konkoden titiru pa eje Ghana si ho ma edi ehun fi English abrofo nsem. Maybe no oman Ghana fa yemfa ne se mamu ahoro be bi nga na biesam. Ya to aba eyi amampanyinfo. Efenso ebinom de sabio wonga mfa kwan anasa abato kwan so ne beye amampanyinfo. In any form no Ghana fufa ni nyina mu. Kapem se 1992 e ngadwen se de ye be se ye dodo wa mamu. Se na binum be kan se kabina minka bia mamu no. Nti ese se political party bia de no. Or kwan offer so a mra wo ho a wo de form political parties. Ghana fa commissioner for and commission for letter commission for be ahoro anansem so be kaya near to so anan ye mame Jenmensa na kwanga wo fa so yi ne predecessor no ma amanfo bebre na command to won yem kire say na yemu binum susu say Mampenya Akufo-Addo wa adwen pofoforo susu say ope bi electoral commissioner obebe tie ni obeka bia na waya ama no Mpensenpensemu no mami odi na dwuma chen say electoral commissioner chairman of the electoral commission say American say mami Jenmensa on the NDC for ayonkofa enya de a ekoyi shasi fibra ye wo ipac kopim say mami no kwanga no faso ebu yen mpanyfo a wo represent yen wo one meetings ase no enimtia no na enso ani ne ye kire pefi say o hwa asania na ayonkofa wo NPP fam no ya de adan ho ededodo na ebia ne abejire owura Bosman Asare sane ono so ne nkasa ebia okokan radio station a kire say NDC political party a yatena Ghana ha a preside over see a bit share constitution ni dia ba abesi na ultimate can say a threat to Ghana's democracy na enya de etwaye because ankusi na hia we referee de obi abetimi aka no patro referee de obi abetimi protest e to even football games ho a wo dia ne say obeye fair obegina mfimfini na obi ahu so ampa watimi a judge bribia e course ewo field of play ya de bayan abatu mu ya wo political Ghana mra no makwan say ye multi party democracy ye beto aba ye bepenia obetimi ahweso amayen electoral commission or enjoy a lot of independence and say otie obia directions and as a directives from any other courts apart from niamra no ahwehwe amano ya wa conventions ahrowa ofia from 1992 bepem day ye dia ye juma ahrowa ebuama ntiase on trust and understanding cohesion bebre ya ebema yengetimi etua na mo na ye papa no ye de abehim bebre from opaque ballot box and near there na from 92 you start say you used to be political parties ni shia chira adwen ye reforms ye reviews ba mami bai ono no nni ye nya de a eso NDC ani em say dodo na anonym stories are making o committee nkra na okosrewa eyasem o committee na okosmalia eyasem afei so ye wo other political parties em say o man we hwa Ghana mbra no kire kwan a wo fa social political party me boy anye yikra na say unya office I think is it 1/3 or 2/3
across the
of the country
percentage wise
exactly
I'm not sure
and some maybe a wanga ma okwan say obije watum say oh political
plus other legit requirements are all pass you through it's not just the offices new money be kika home udi mu wie peyo e ma ba ya manyu kwa ya je watu
exactly
through the election
enti anye ye kra no obenya officers from various part of the country one grab a can why signatory to certificate and as application whatever ye be kan but political party nketen ahuru be bre akoso electoral commissioner na say electoral commission no adwuma say obehwe say samra no ebitima ye adwuma so obe audit political party bia na account ni nyina ye won adwuma amaye timi hu say ye nkofa parties bi ma sebi o ebe dzenia oba be occupy space keke obetimi abu amaye democracy pese ye no etimi adi but nansen under mami ne ye no sa ho no oman yehu nentutu ni ye papa
as in what the political parties no omo ba
yes
say omo qualified to be part of the process
as to whether we are qualified and when you qualified mementi as say say me pa de anka me say dodo na no and you qualified as give a month said the case over former political party. Sana me hunning.
But since when now we stop Kwabena until we meet all the requirements to form a political party. In fact,
does it mean
I can assure you, say lots of political parties are coming up because minimum of what Home Frame is
random Macron say party in this ceiling. Our data political party be in jet 5 or 2 or 1.
But once you go through a process and the commission gives you, I think I'm afraid a temporal certificate or the certificate they give you. And
provisional.
Provisional,
exactly.
Once you go through it, what's the challenge again with NDC NPP? What's the challenge?
And no na ama young kitahudi or IPAC are problematic.
And to problem because Ansha CN. Ansha CN. It is
a streamline.
It's a bedroom Mpensenpensemu.
That's a set member.
Who say
Obiri abuse a honor because may nipa ba commander party may want me provisional certificate. Yeah, Kofinzu ye one and Adom boy baby nipa 15. Yakushia. Yeah, take a decision on a particular thing. What I say because of some political party, say me back on a day. Near Mizume Kano holds and as a stand as against the Kofinzu Beka pepe.
But more representing an interest. The interest is a political party. That's it. Because one course, who could apply say percentages and Gitaudi na yedemawa. Obi nsunche obi because you're a potential party in power. Say nay, me want a party na electoral commission for Adjei. Even though I don't have representation in parliament, it does not stop me from getting all the needed attention. Well, we should be. That is what, but it should not be tied to a reason for a party to, in quote, stay off.
Either to. In fact, say be answer mami imrano. Na nkitahudi wo IPAC. Bon say yenti wontwi ne wetim waka me bia wo sa IPAC. Utie nkomodi a efi hoba. Young represents by alcohol. Sa brinu mansana ye twi ho fi mu no. Akwati say ne move bia NDC be no there is a deliberate attempt say other political parties say me best me use mama use minus no what I say will oppose it adibia say ye papo say ye bonio because of say efi NDC hoba no as say we oppose it na e man kita hudi wo ho no enso ani ba ba na akoka say be confuse ko because mama na mu na so preside over no hwe say fairness and na say bia ye makwan na enye more participatory obi anchre na adwen ni arrive at a particular conclusion no onye mu na kasa declaring intention say wan kasa kro mpe wenim say obese rachre whether no akọ wenim ye mfe no ntro ho enti until sasa na man besesa because NDC ye started participating with Ghana electoral process na enye ne since 1992 ababie no have because NDC a boycott and now contest bepem na ye umi ye nya kwan Ghana for to aba man am ya be di Ghana so for 16 years so back ya 8 years under the Rawlings 8 years under Mills Mahama enti ye stakeholder won't me ka say sebi o de o betoto ye ngase na ebe anye ye kra no o hwe voter pattern Ghana regional basis yetimi winning regions are over and above half of the total regions and every constituency ye were representative your office into a political party and can ye cry no we MDC NPP and bibi kasa ye di kita ho a say ye kasa etimi du actually kakra because ye
stopping Mukasa from saying no actually
machira onienti
that the political
machira onienti ukọ ho a nkomodi ye kọ so ho enso ani enya de a ema yan kwan say betimi apart.
But that's why I'm here worried because Mpensenpensemu say since when did we get to this point? Because even at your time
under this leadership
Ekuadonko no a party be
Ekuadonko
no qualify in your side per or measurement na the party or domino now hwe initial keke no qualified.
I'm say honey or the pa.
No. Yeah. It's important because always a critical point. That critical
but
point
I've
is
moved
that
on from there.
Osha political Osha political parties ni bi honoma omo hoodin to be political parties no. Enye ni so.
Enye ni so.
It ebe me MPP ni ana NDC ni ya say we mu do mo ba da be nti ye kan no mo so sebi
oh yeah yes on can be brand no but no
on your chefa
exactly
that's what I'm saying
our big stake in it yeah the discussions no
ya be do mpempenso a san komo we no ye blame obi say sa nipa we na amakwanyam ama obi asra na ote political party no mo abedu o no abebi ni dwem
maka say ya fa commissioners ahoro bebrense anya ekura be ahoro ana obi abreso no na sade no na enye ntin te say na eje wo maame
but who encourage somebody to set up a political party
near tini unless say bia you behave say
I am here. I can decide if me feel say me qualify.
You can
because I'm a political.
You can, but
how can you stop me?
Enye bibi aya and say obi amre bi keke ntini e wo mra e govern kwan obe fa so ansa obenya
until we get the documentation to the effect.
Me bati. Nti enye keke even though e ho be gray area. So what I say yen ntimi streamlining here say ampani ampa e be so bit manya offices for various constituencies and san e bia ya ma final certificate. Even provisional certificate na saka ya no timi kwa apartment na me
even more political parties major no kura no enkuntabuo ho asem kwa de bia yisi ne mo kono
o sande nkomo fofo ba me kan me de be share mu but no de fofo ba
okay go
aha ya yen yen grievances yen Hawaii
yes you have it
so what I say because anya ye kura no me wo 275 constituencies no
baby
me wo bobo ha wo even a single constituency kura but on also so make ho it means me number ni
no
exactly it is yen to aba me so me were voting right so what I say e wo IPAC obehwe na bia ade na mususu ho no wo how pa say e betime de wontwu because one between NDC and NPP sabi onyamema emanem pare so oye ne beba so what I say it will come from just these two political parties pe ni aka bia ntimi fo nye de bia magana because one do cry ya but NDC decided say yenye saade ya e won sunsanso wo man no so NPP decided say yenye saade ya e won sunsanso e wo man no so yenye sa batu ye ntom results are be yenye ntom these two political parties no yen start yen mudru no wo soro so na me kan what I say enti ehia sase yakọ adwenkyira anka wo makwan na at least yen adwenkyira no enti me nyina yen come back from 1992 suggesting say na say contributions ahoro a reform ahoro ya ye nyina no mu ahe na fi ebia
commissioner
political party be outside NDC or NPP
okay
so don't you what I say these major parties political parties
so we have priority for these major political parties not the lesser ones
exactly here because no mistake so
I'm
not saying say pamwon but nonti na we commissioner as no bit my use discretion wo baby some pasade am ye ndisi enya ntompe ma yemrel and na ye ka say ye wo hang parliament meboa enti say what the bill biko no was wo nye ntom NDC twa ho hwima bill na ho den wo fom enti wo hia sa brebia no at least ubenya say NDC NPP o ka bom no nga pushi ebi asem kwa wo de koi no na enya nyina so o ma ma mi wie wo ne a friend then Sasia what they call parliament and what's him here in papa same thing say Ghana constitution nature say Ghana ni bia o pese wo to aba ni di kan say we Ghana ni yet to see being say why drink mo da ho yet to see be say wanya mfidum otwe eko fundamental qualification I bet him do the abeka Ghana battle krata ho no wanya kwanso beto aba asa sana maybe simple I think I take 42 mewa and am as 2 minutes it is a me ding me are willing my dream with me have 18 years na me say me kwa control me ding a and say bibi foforo bi siw me kwan among na me kan what I say and say bibi foforo because constitution na nkasa and na ma me kwan say me nya mfidu nwotwe ma dwen mu da ho etusu abiesa me ye Ghana ni asi na ne me hu de se say electoral commissioner bia nso no wo ma ne ye wo dadwen wo haw wo ya de ehia ho ne se abre bia no be pese nipa dodo a wo ye Ghana fo a won kon do no Obama on kan no ngetimi akire on adwen wa abato nkrata ho. On si ukwan no on ka kwan no mpua.
The one is the commission.
Commissioner yi si ukwan no. Because one see what the coin nature say, wunya unni Ghana card who didn't even call Ghana abato nkrata. It's your constitution.
Okay, so you'd be saying about so Kofi, you know more NDC, more raising concern. To them, very legitimate ones. Meaning, if you told their line, say there's legitimacy in the Omo Kano, and that's probably they've gone overboard. So me real with the issue, sir.
I'm that's it. In chair ne wetif when I'm in chair. Mini penny and NPC. Na enema bi ha if we say o man na ye chichire no e ya adwen to na ye nyina ye to na yetimi akoye ni na enema ho adwire me if we say me wan wasem nuano NDC for ka political party bi ho asem said your ni mu ne mfenso ana say ne mfisusa ene stake awo constitutional democracy na here running no. And a democracy nso a here running no. You say ankra bia ti mechira na adwen. Yes anete. Ankra bia no eti mechira na adwen. Sabio constitution ni mu na he na ka say political party bi ne member ye 5 na ho odin a na no a obetimi dia akase.
There's no measurement.
I mean the constitution like you said you can't processes electoral commission behwe say political parties qualified to be a political party yanka say ne dodo yesi anase say enti se yehwe in the strict sense anka me ne NPP ne NDC ye nyina anka in the strict sense of it
e pia magunchen
ye nyina ye pia agunchen enti e na wo kohwe obi de na wo gina eno so say ono ni because the constitution is clear ana emra ebo oman no ya manyo sem ho ban ye clear say sikampo a ye de ye politics no ye ma oman ni hu kwan ye fa so nya sika nya sa nete wo wa ma Ghana fo hu kwan fa so nya sika ye campaign ana obi di oye bone a ono ne de no assuming ye mfa ono ne de enti nka ye nyina no by the strict sense of the law anka ye nyina no ye qualify per your argument enti ya na moko gina simpie so na moye argument a sabe monhwe sa na ma we nyina cause obi enu wa ne hote ye nyina no aya manyosem na ye na ye boaboa ye ho nkakra se na ebe ya ye be pagya ye mu ye nim se ne ma anya perfect de but mo ye mo de ye nso ye de amanyo nketenkete no nso ye omo de ba ukoyi obi gina nchen na okase ye nyi onu ni mfrim na ye nyi ni mfrim no nso no ana so wo mu no wo de kwhye obi a I mean it doesn't make any sense because oman ye wo kroma na President Mahama fa Akuadonko di nachi e de ne ko Italy say or part of a political party na wate political party nti so o chechire oman a na o ko Italy akosa tan no kwhye factory setups bi o Italy o de ne kan ho so no so a political party na satam na Akuadonko offices o Ghana ha nyina Hassan Ayarega beye coughing and no ye niema e de ehihye mochi ni ade na o offices o Ghana ha
no ye nioma but no fancy show
okay o de me
kan independent political party
na ono offices o Ghana ha nyina you know what are you talking about in any case Jimensa ne ma obi kwete party ana obe kai say Charlotte say emrebi ye koto about in say 2016 thereabout oyi political parties be free mobekai on the basis that omonye omonni the me feel the reason or the man echo Supreme Court eboguye do you remember that story Charlotte say yi nkofo be free omo ana ye koto aba na so omo ye qualified candidate no oyi be free mu ma Supreme Court boguye obekai 2016
that's something that joy cross
yes yeah. Oyi Akuadonko free mu yi other people ma Supreme Court catch and say we need to meet over here so what are you talking about the SCA nyina ye kan say e kwan be na ye be fa so na ya manyo sema ye no me hia wo mo
because that's it ho no won kai na bia na woni Ghana wan si ne bu anyi won amfim keke tama wo file won nominations so that
from so by
and na me tell say and I'm just from so by yo the amount the bottom line is say it shows the weaknesses because now they needed to get certain numbers for signing ade ni nyina ye part of the strength of the political party and ameboa
yeah
and no offices ni ade ni signatories bia na no mo say omo anya sa rekwan and the Supreme Court said that be is that not the same thing Amoka wants them say they don't have the requisite strength to have the same measure or the same we say so mo so betimi a kire o ma doing the same in comparison to NPP and NDC. Enti ano de memfa ma ho enti yenya asasem na NPC emwa
sorry
etosu bi o si ye yi Charlotte says asem how many times na mbeka o my own kai say Mrefi Papa Nidin no one of the deputy commissioners no northern name
David Kanga
no Sule kai say ono ne another madam ba kwa no so deputy commissioner komo omuko di fa Charlotte say ho ene niam ankomo ankasa trofa commissioner ne ho have you forgotten who ede na yetro ede na yetro
may address this issue
enipa no omu raise concerns ema other Ghanaians
I'm sure you recollect
that so what are you talking about
no okay we are okay so okay we dia obonya kwanya tima
ema nkofo raise concerns ema
what can be not
ema establish prima facie so be kai asem no emra na ye clear obe tro petition akoma omampanyi na omampanyi di akoma chief justice no ate committee na oma seti na oma hu say is there a prima facie case asem ni nyina so wom e na omo seti committee hu say ampa nyina so wom on the basis of that e na omo ye de so omo ye ti ade na ade be hye Akufo-Addo because Akufo-Addo role in the process and say obeji petition no the ama chief justice na chief justice aye na dwuma that's what the law says inti say multi political party na mo hwe so nya mo niam ese mo ye na afi no mo sorry na mpanyifo bi na mo pese mo de omanim twitwi form at the supreme chief justice anim twitwi form awie say EC na masa afa no na mo de ono so anim twitwi form. Now you talk about Ghana card. Omanim say under Charlotte say you spend 417 million Ghana cedis and your year registration for the 2016 election. Mami Jean Mensa ba you spend 347 million Ghana cedis, a decline in value. But the bottom line is say so no crowd is kaketwa na yeah. Ghana spend $347 million. I mean cedis. At the time what exchange rate na nyesika ketwa about $70 million or so. Nyesika ketwa. And the year sa exercise. So we share national register
report even.
Oh, you can check.
Yeah,
yes, Sika ya the year voter registration.
Now so na we so di ho but clearly
electoral commission the
budget
or the budget as one year. Okay, expenditure.
Yes. Yes,
expenditure. Your budget as well. Expenditure. Yeah. And as high expenditure, no, unya odi fi.
No pa me we are. Me story.
As far as I'm concerned, electoral commission far expenditure be and go parliament here.
No, I'm talking about previous elections. And I'm making some. And now some.
Oreka budget to make expenditure.
But this is open. How do we survive with Abayeto? Yet what they say. How did we get there? Preparations that was about to how do we fund it?
Electoral commissioner, they never budget back of parliament.
I'm not talking about this election.
Not this one.
Which one?
About 2016
expenses no onye fee.
May amount.
Expenditure no onye fee.
May you amount. Don't worry.
Parliament and gas assistant today. We
now voter registration and the Sika.
So anyway, how do we go through that process?
What you say, my major mensa bay, or the net expenditure, I call parliament. What?
Oh, but I'm not talking about my major mensa this election.
Which election?
My country said
elections are
me see 2016 Charlotte say
and now when you are
2020
and 2020 so you figure the fee.
Oh,
that's what I'm challenging.
I'll give you the figures, don't worry. Remember figures.
And your source.
Remember figures now, don't worry. I'll give you the figures. Make us say we now kasa me figures now. Into your mind, sika you spend it no. Enti se akoba se ehu be hia se oman ye be move every baby a every election cycle be a yen say sika anka ne papa mu a in fact mu ankasa under John Dramani Mahama his excellency and amode mra ba ye say se Ghana ni koje voter register or register to voter ahyenso dia ese wo de ko register to vote the Ghana card. Your friend no National Registration Act LI 2111 Article 7 Clause 1G. Asamu amokan no.
You na ni try hombra. Ye ba ye beto ankomo so ye kwa basisi ya. Well, that's how bad that we was say 12 years what I'm saying. Kofi the Kofi Tonto and better than EPC, so and why we're wrapping up in the next 6 minutes.
Time is
Kofi, man, me we no time is time. I mean, we share GNA report. I say election ne cost to. Oh, well, I just had the evidence here. Just give me 1 second. We city before I make city there no say. The Electoral Commission has given certain figures to back the argument that we are raising. When we are talking about cost in 2017 during the limited registration exercise, 2017 during the limited registration exercise, we spent 487,980 million Ghana cedis. This year, the Parliament has approved 390 million Ghana cedis.
It doesn't answer my question.
No, the point is, Mama,
go ahead.
I just told you expenditure.
Go ahead.
And at the following, and now say me argue. So the point I mean, rapping in and say, where is sika afibia say. And I'm more 2022, mo pass a law, the National Identification Act 2022, and I'm the LI legislative instrument called Parliament. 2012, sorry. And I'm the legislative instrument 2012 na legislative LI 2111 ekoye wo hwe LI 2111 na article 7 clause 1G and amodi share say mandatory use of Ghana card and they say use it for voter registration. One amodi share under President Mahama and amodi call Parliament ekoye ne mra nti ade na wo a wo de ade akọ Parliament akoye ne mra. In any case, a NIPA 17
just to all stakeholders.
Stakeholders, man. Or my no say NIPA 17 million plus and I register for the Ghana card. As someone and I diabeto abonten say a NIPA yentimi for mo meto so so mo beto so near about 2 million. 2 million people and aka. Are we saying say for the next year and a half yentimi emphasize sikananka ye de besa akoye another yin yentimi mfa ma NIE emfa nye ebia expanded registration exercise na yen ropi obia in. So not only will we get the benefit for them to use it to vote, but the nyina ye pese ye drew say ye build a formal economy a Ghana ni bia bewo identification system ye benya sanfa so de nso double benefit. Nti ade na ese akoye another registration and as yes akwa na moa maye mra ne ye di mra no so na wa ye mra na sa da ne ho se me no me mpem mra na me de ebaye. How does that make sense?
Okay. That's it. Now take Kofi asem o kan about sa Elia what they establish NIE quotation be say mandatory use of Ghana card. So what else? Enti phone ni mra wo ho lecture me metime de aye eno no man nso nchen Ghana mra no constitution they say unya 18 years now adwen mu da now ye Ghana ni nko a na se wo pepa se wo beto aba It is say electoral commission near provision so obefa so no absorb.
That provision is being made.
Please.
That provision is being made. What are you saying?
But what's the problem now? Yes.
So what are you talking about?
Young man no chere say fa odin hye abatokrata mu. So odin ni register mu a wo ye oman hino. Wo ye hino, untime nto aba. Okay? Into process no na hyase ne say me ye Ghana ni. Me won fi du nwotwe. Ma adwen mu da ho ntime pese me di me din hye abatokrata mu. Sa na mra ne chere wonen. An chere say ese say wo fa kwan bi so, kwete kwan bi a obi based on no said an NTC Trinity.
So you think that Doctor deliberately refused to issue Ghana card to qualified Ghanaians? Ujiri se boapayom. Obi be share that case of frustrated system no to suit a particular
Sente sadia. Ada na o se mini Ghana card o. Me nsan ka me de. Institution has to provide the Ghana card no mame no. Onfa mame ye. Me nsan kan ye. Me abro 18 years. Ma dream that me Ghana ni. Ada na me din timi kwa batokrata.
The one has stop o.
Hina no stop hina.
The process of
no process ben.
My 2 million is
no mame kama se. Mama hina address me. Tie. Ni atini.
Yeah.
Me pesa me di me din ko sha batokrata. Constitution no mame kan say. Ese se me din ko batokrata no. Ma dream ni etia me ni o. Ma dream na ho de me ntimi nye. Me nya mfi nu otwa me ntimi nye. Me nya Ghana ni me ntimi nye. Esi. Sa na me bi sen pe. So me qualify was sa na me bi sa no ho a. Ese se me din ko batokrata no.
Obi asi kwan se odi ntimi kwa.
Obi resiu me kwan because me nya Ghana card here. How then?
Now the Ghana card
no Ghana for nyina na wo Ghana card me no ka say.
But how can you the Ghana card?
Even with the voter ID card now, Ghana for nyina
voter ID card ben. Voter ID card ben. Ya kan ya ni din afa ni din ni abatokrata mu. Tie ni ye si boss na nkasa. Sorry, NIA Atefa.
Now why not stop me from registering?
You not stop hina.
I don't get it. Why not stop me?
O my own
Obi stop hina.
2 million people na.
No. For 2 million na 7 to change. Dr. Atefa say, Professor Atefa.
And you na 2 million.
Professor Atefa say. One for obi amfo share metons because brain swing say obetimi aye na adwuma bi.
Brain swing to see to abantu na say.
Na brain swing ye no. Ya bato asem na ye kan. Ye kan bato krata asem.
And I'm saying brass see to about.
Na me dey enko krata no ma na about do be why then.
Soon you see e beto aba. You register
your holiday, onyame ya do match na e be.
Thank you. Register.